Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of GALERA Therapeutics, and there has been a staggering amount of rise that we have seen in the last trading session, where the stock has almost doubled, and not only that, it has already risen by more than 15% in the after hour session, which placed the stock above $3. And this has been a move because the stock doesn't have any specific trend, but this 90 or 100% of move put the stock again back into the trading zone. So that's what we have here. So what's more, I would say, astonishing is the price target of $14, which is I mean, if you're looking at the current price of $3 and you have $14, which itself is saying that more than 400% gap is there, right? So this is one thing, and most importantly, if you're looking at the volume, now the current volume we have here is far higher than the average volume as far as this stock is concerned. So let's see what's causing this kind of movement and what other things we have here. So here we are. I think this is the latest one. Okay, the same kind of news. Yep. So let's see what we have here. So the shares double after firm announces corrected study results for its lead drug candidate, and so this company announced corrected results from late stage testing of its lead new candidate abasopesum. Now, Galera Therapeutics said that the new result show avasopesum achieved statistical significance with the study's preliminary primary endpoint, and that endpoint was reducing incidence of severe oral mucositis resulting from radiation therapy in patients being treated for locally advanced head and neck cancer. So this is what we have here, and the stock zoomed quite significantly on the higher side, right? So this is, and in October, Galera announced a phase 3 clinical trial results for avasopasm that found it did not achieve statistical significance on the primary endpoint, and those results sent the stock plunging by more than 70%. So, I mean, you know, you can see that previously they did not find any statistical significance, so the stock plunged 70%. Now they have corrected it, the stock went up by more than 100%. So generally it should not be the case where stock move up in such a volatile manner that it doesn't matter how significant the news can probably be, but you can punish the stock and beating the hell out of that. So these are sometimes doesn't give comfortable feeling. So first of all, if you want to look or if you want to trade in this kind of stock, as you can see, a big red candle and there is a very big green candle. So the thing is, if you want to look into this kind of stock, you should remember one thing, that because it's a biotech company and R&D is one of the greatest or is one of the biggest thing for any biotech company, because their R&D leads to a product, right? So it's very important part of their business, but it is not the end of the story, because R&D leads to success and similarly leads to failure. They have to, you know, uh, whatever they want to do, they will do to correct it and make into a product out of their analysis. That's a part of it. But punishing the stock in such a way, market is indeed very harsh. Now, what we have here right now, even though the stock has moved, but it should not fall below $2.6, as this will be your immediate support, probably your stop loss as well. Right, so this is the thing that you need to understand. Now, on the upside, if it sustains above $2.6 and started moving high, what we have here are three specific levels to look at right now: 5.6, 5.9, 6.7. So these are your three targets that you're gonna look at on the upside, and these three levels will definitely work as a resistance. Why? Because these three were your support levels, and with one big move, all those levels have been broken down. So these three levels that I have told you will work as a resistance. If only the stock started trading above 6.7, 6.8, you will get the excess of the upper end of the range, which will start with $10 and can go up to $18 or $20. But that's not the part of the story we have here right now. What we have here is, if it sustains above 2.6, we have 6.77. We have a range in between 5.6 and 6.77. And if only the stock started sustaining above 6.78 or higher, you have $10, you have $14, and you have $18. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.